Hello friends, this is the Happylish YouTube channel. Welcome to our story time. Today, we will hear a classic fable called The Lion and the Mouse. This story is about kindness and shows us that even the smallest friend can help the largest creature. Let's begin. Deep in the forest, under tall trees, a great lion lay fast asleep. His big head rested gently on his strong paws. All was quiet in the breeze whispering through the leaves. Suddenly, a tiny mouse came out of her hiding place. She was looking for food. The mouse did not see the sleeping lion at first. In her hurry, she scampered right across the lion's long nose. The lion woke with a start. He lifted his huge paw and caught the little mouse under it. The lion said, "Ha! What is this tiny creature at my paw? Do you think you can run away from me?" The poor mouse trembled with fear. She closed her eyes and begged softly. The mouse said, "Please, great lion, spare my life. If you let me go, I promise that one day I will help you in return." The lion was surprised. He looked at the little mouse and thought, "How could such a small creature ever help me, the king of the jungle?" But the lion was kind-hearted. He lifted his paw, and the mouse ran away into the grass. Days passed. The mouse found nuts and seeds to eat. The lion roamed the forest, proud and strong. One day, the lion was walking quietly. Snap! He stepped into a hunter's net. Thick ropes tightened around him. He roared loudly, his voice shook the trees. But no one came to help. The mouse heard the lion's loud roar. She recognized the voice of her old friend. Quickly, she ran through the grass to find him. The lion was tired and sad. He saw the tiny mouse by his side. The mouse said, "Hold on, my friend. I will help you now." The mouse bit one rope and then another until the net's ropes broke apart. At last, the lion was free. He shook his mane and bowed his head to the mouse and said, "Thank you, dear mouse. You kept your promise. Today, I see that even a mouse can help a lion." Friends, the lesson is clear. No act of kindness is ever wasted. You never know when a small friend will help you in a big way. Thank you for listening. To help you learn even more English, I've put together a list of the vocabulary from this story that might be new for you. You can find this list with the meanings in the video description. Make sure to take a look. If you enjoyed today's story, please like and subscribe to the Happylish YouTube channel. See you next time for another adventure. Goodbye.